Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making a cold, colorful pasta, and right in front of me I have this bowl that has some of the ingredients inside and all of the ingredients laid out in front of me, and I'll tell you how much is in each amount. So first off, we are going to boil a ronzoni tri-colorful pasta in some water, and about 10 to 15 minutes. You would want to add some salt, a half teaspoon of salt, and if you would like, a half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 can of garbanzo peas, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 box of grape tomatoes, half a lemon, 1 can of olives that you can cut up in half, and it can look like this circular shape, 1 tangerine, that is shown below, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, and half a cup of cheddar cheese, and you can put them in the same bowl, 1 cucumber that is cut up into small cubes, and finally 1 green apple cut up. And we also have half a teaspoon of salt in this bowl. And to top it off, we have this amazing Italian salad dressing that you could sprinkle all over at the top of the pasta when you finish mixing it and tossing it at the very end. So right in this bowl I have the pasta boiled already and finished, the beans, and the grape tomatoes. Right here I have half a teaspoon of olive oil that I will drizzle all over the pasta so it has a great flavor and mixes all the combination flavors together. Next, I'm going to add the half of lemon to the bowl, into the big pasta bowl. Then I will add the can of olives that are already cut in half into the big pasta bowl. And then I'm going to add the 1 tangerine. Next, it would be the green apple. Next would be the 1 whole cut cucumber as diced into cubes, and both of the mozzarella and cheddar cheese I will add to the big pasta bowl. So now that I have added all of my ingredients to the big pasta bowl, I am going to use these 2 big spoons and I will toss and mix and well combine every aspect of the ingredients to the dish. And as you're mixing and tossing everything together, you will see a beautiful array of colors and different textures and flavors that will taste amazing after you put this big whole pasta into the fridge to get that cold aspect. Finally, our last step is to add our zesty Italian salad dressing onto the pasta. And after you bring out the pasta from the fridge, we want to add this salad dressing immediately so it can absorb all the coldness from the pasta and all of the tomatoes and fruits, different fruits and cheese and everything, so it absorbs everything so it tastes really well and you can taste the salad dressing as you eat the pasta. So you want to get your 2 spoons and definitely well combine and mix every aspect of the dish, all the ingredients, and combine and well coated into the dressing so you can get every bite of that salad dressing and every bite of each ingredient into your mouth. Now the very last step is you can add some dried cranberries or any other type of fruit such as dried strawberries or dried peaches to the dish. You could also add some peanuts or walnut or toasted almond so you could have that extra crunch to the pasta and it will taste really well and combine all the flavors. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will make this pasta on your own, and thanks so much for watching.